Hello everybody, my name is Jaswita Princey Quadras and I'm from Mangalore. Well, in 2018 there was a synod on youth and Pope Francis very firmly stated that he wanted young people to be the protagonist of the church. As a fruit of that synod, a body was created, International Youth Advisory Body, and I was chosen as one of the 20 people from all around the world. And we are three from Asia. I am from India. We have one girl from Indonesia and one boy from Japan. So we were invited to the synod on synodality this time, for the opening ceremony of the synodality this time. And this was one of the most beautiful moments of my life. In 2019, I did meet Pope Francis, but I never expected that I would meet him again the second time this time. But I was just standing at the entrance of the synod hall, and he just came walking. And he came, there was a chapel opposite us. He just bowed down and he turned towards us. We were three of us standing, me from India, my friend from Brazil, and my friend from Portugal. He came to us, he greeted us. We said from which country we are from. He was very happy to see that young people were a part of the synod this time. In his message this time, he firmly stressed that every person, whether it be young, whether it be old, whether it is a person who comes from a background which is not recognized in the society today, or whether it is a background which is recognized in the society today, every person needs to be a part of the synod this time. He wants everyone to take part, a active part in the church, in the activities, in the programs, not just in the activities and the programs, but also to be a protagonist in the church, to be like leaders, to come forward, to carry out the mission that Jesus Christ gave us.